Text blocks are one of the core features for building your site. Click an insert point and select text from the block menu. To add text, click right here. Press Enter to create a new paragraph. To format text, highlight it with your mouse. Use the icons in the text toolbar for reformatting. There are standard options such as bolding, italicizing, indenting, designating headings, and creating lists. To remove formatting with text you've already pasted, use the Paste as Plain Text feature. To remove the text block, click the trash can icon. You can also click the padding around a text block and drag the block to the trash can icon that appears. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.